Here's a 2016 Acura RLX. Enduring performance in every endeavor, the RLX is the best of the best. Harmoniously shift with the 6-speed sequential sport shift automatic transmission and turn corners sharply with precision all-wheel steer. Light up the sky with dual eye LED headlights. The multi-view rear camera is optimal for positioning perfectly into any parking space. Control the Acura navigation system and Tri-Zone automatic climate control without ever lifting a finger with the voice recognition system.
Feel confident getting from point A to point B with the navigation system. The heads-up display will give you all the information you need right where you need it. Safety comes by being aware of your surroundings, and for that, the blind spot indicator can't be beat.
The road is yours in this Acura. Stop in today for a test drive.
Pohanka Acura is a great place to buy a car. We're conveniently located at 13911 Lee Jackson Memorial Highway, Route 50 in Chantilly.